It only takes one moment. A flat tire, a dead battery, or something you didn't see coming, and suddenly, you're stuck on the side of the road. And here's the scary part, most of it is completely preventable. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to spot for the coolest car gadgets on Amazon, smart tools, and clever inventions that make driving safer and easier. Because a few of these you'll wish you had before it's too late. Ever had a tire blow out without warning? It happens faster than you think, and most drivers never see it coming. This TPMS constantly tracks your tire pressure and temperature in real time. The moment something feels off, it alerts you instantly. But here's where it gets interesting. It even detects slow leaks before they become dangerous. Solar charging means it's always on. No wires, no hassle. And that small screen? It could literally save you from a highway disaster. What would you do if your tire goes flat in the middle of nowhere? No tools, no help, just you and the road. This emergency kit fixes your tire in minutes, without even removing it. Just plug it in, inject the sealant, and it reinflates automatically. But here's the catch. Most people don't carry anything like this until it's too late. It seals punctures and gets you back on the road fast. No jack, no stress. And in that moment, this small kit feels like a lifesaver. Ever turned the key and nothing happens? No sound, no lights, just a dead battery at the worst possible time. This portable jump starter brings your car back to life in seconds. No waiting, no asking strangers for help. And this is where it gets crazy. It's powerful enough to start massive engines, even trucks. You can recharge it fast, or get a quick boost in just minutes. Plus, it doubles as a power bank for your devices. And that built-in flashlight? It becomes your best friend in the dark. Which one would you actually keep in your car so far? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car gadgets you didn't know you needed. What really happens in those "it wasn't my fault" accidents? Most of the time you have no proof. This dual lens dash cam records everything in sharp 2K detail. Front view, zoomed plates, even low light moments. But here's what most people miss. That telephoto zoom can capture license plates from far away. It auto-saves footage the second it detects impact. So nothing gets overwritten. And when something goes wrong, you don't argue, you just show the video. How many times have you reversed and hoped nothing was behind you? That blind spot is where most small accidents happen. This wireless backup camera streams directly to your phone. No wires, no drilling, just stick it on and go. And here's the interesting part. You can install it yourself in minutes. It even adds smart guidelines to help you park perfectly. And works automatically when you reverse. Suddenly, that risky blind spot? Completely under your control. Ever walked back to your car and felt something was off? That split second is exactly what thieves count on. This compact alarm system reacts the moment your car is touched. A powerful 108 decibel siren and flashing red light instantly draw attention. But here's where it gets smart. It uses vibration sensors with AI to reduce false alarms. You can arm or disarm it from a distance. And even locate your car in a crowded parking lot. No wiring, just stick it on, and suddenly your car fights back. Out of these so far, which one feels like a must-have for you? Drop your pick in the comments, and hit subscribe for more gadgets that actually make a difference. Ever tried driving on snow and your car just won't grip? That moment when your wheels spin, but you go nowhere. These snow socks wrap around your tires to create instant traction. No heavy chains, no complicated setup. And this is where it gets surprising. They're actually approved in places where tire chains are required. Just slip them on in minutes, and you're ready to go. Smooth, quiet, and no damage to your rims. When the road turns dangerous, these might be the only thing keeping you moving. What if your tire gets punctured and there's no shop anywhere nearby? No signal, no help, just a slow leak getting worse. This heavy-duty repair kit lets you fix the tire yourself on the spot. No need to remove the wheel. No waiting. And here's what most drivers don't expect. It can handle tough, thick tires, not just small cars. The tools are simple but powerful. You plug the hole, seal it, and you're back on the road. In a real emergency, this kit turns you into your own roadside rescue. Ever parked under the blazing sun and came back to an oven on wheels? That unbearable heat hits the moment you open the door. This automatic car tent opens with just one click. No setup, no struggle. It unfolds over your car in seconds. But here's where it gets crazy. It can actually lower the temperature inside your car significantly. It also protects against rain, dust, and bird droppings. And even detaches safely in strong winds. So instead of suffering every time you park, your car stays cool, clean, and protected. So far, which gadget surprised you the most? Comment below, and subscribe if you love discovering smart car upgrades like these. Where do you put everything when your trunk is already full? Suitcases, gear, and suddenly, there's no space left. This rooftop cargo bag instantly gives you massive extra storage. Just strap it on top, and you're ready for road trips. But here's the part most people love. It works even if your car doesn't have a roof rack. It's fully waterproof, so your stuff stays dry in heavy rain. And it stays secure, even at highway speeds. More space, less stress, and way more comfortable trips. Ever felt your car AC just isn't enough on a hot day? That slow, weak airflow can make every drive uncomfortable. This clip-on fan boosts airflow instantly right where you need it. Just attach it to your air vent and power it with USB. And here's the cool part. It rotates 360 degrees and has 3 adjustable speeds. No batteries, no complicated setup, just a steady, quiet breeze during your drive. On long trips or in extreme heat, this small fan makes a bigger difference than you expect. Ever dropped something in your car at night and couldn't find it? That tiny struggle gets annoying real fast. This magnetic ceiling light instantly brightens your entire car interior. Just tap it on, no wiring, no hassle. And here's what makes it better. The light is soft, so it won't mess with your night vision. It's rechargeable and lasts for months on light use. And you can stick it anywhere you need extra light. Small upgrade, but it changes how your car feels at night. Which of these would you actually use every day? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe for more simple upgrades that make a big difference. Why do car doors always get scratched in tight parking spots? Because you can't control how others open their doors. These magnetic door protectors act like a cushion for your car. Just place them on your doors, and they absorb unexpected impacts. And here's what makes them so practical. You can install or remove them in seconds. No tools, no permanent setup, just quick protection whenever you park. So when the next careless door swing happens, your car stays dent-free. How do some cars always look brand new even after years? The secret isn't washing, it's polishing. This dual-action polisher removes scratches, swirl marks, and dull spots fast. Just glide it over your paint, and watch the shine come back. But here's the satisfying part. You can literally see the difference in seconds. It's safe for beginners but powerful enough for pros. And comes with everything you need in one kit. That faded, tired paint? It turns into a glossy, showroom finish. Where do you keep your clothes so they don't get wrinkled in the car? Tossing them on the seat never really works. This car hanger mounts right behind your headrest, keeping your suits, jackets, or shirts neat while you drive. And here's the detail most people don't expect. The wide wooden design prevents creases completely. No slipping, no folding, just clean, ready to wear clothes when you arrive. For work, meetings, or events, you step out looking sharp every time. These gadgets can save you in emergencies or make every drive easier. So which one is going straight into your car? Comment below and subscribe to Quincy Gadgets for more.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.